wonderful. Now while we're here, I'll just show you using the same, instead of a thin spaghetti or crispy, I make a thick one, and you'll just notice the difference in them. So they'll cook very quickly. Some people are concerned about deep frying, and I can understand it, because most deep frying that's done by people, the oil that they're using saturates, and you have to be careful in using any of these plant-based oils, because the high heat in which they're processed in, and then the heat in which you use to cook with, creates carcinogenic activity in the body, and you certainly don't want to have that. And that's why we prefer to use the grapeseed oil or the rice bran oil. This is the rice bran oil, and the grapeseed oil, of course, both available in supermarkets. Now these are ready to pull out. Turn the stove off. Thick, crunchy, and I tell you what, kids love them, and we use it instead of using chicken or other meat strips on your stir fry. You can use these. If you have any left over, you can use them the next day. If you have any spaghetti left over, for instance, you may have some spaghetti left over, we put that into the fridge, just into a container, and then the next day, using a pan with a little bit of the grapeseed or the rice bran oil, and perhaps a little bit of garlic and a little bit of onions diced and put into the pan, then you can use your leftover spaghetti, which is uncooked, and just put it into the pan and just let it brown in the oil and the onion and the garlic, and then I add a little bit of soy sauce in there, and it makes a very, very nice preparation, so that when you're having vegetables with it, you simply use it instead of meat. It'll taste great, and it has a nice texture with it. So that's what you can do with any of your spaghetti that's left over. You just pop it into your pan and just lightly fry it that way with the onion and the garlic and a little bit of soy sauce. So corn balls, great. Stir fries, vegetables and corn balls makes a great meal. Thank you.